Can you use AirPods when the case battery is dead?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're answering a very common question. Can you use AirPods when the case battery is dead? It's an important topic, especially if you rely on your AirPods for daily activities like calls, music, and podcasts. Let's dive in.
What's the role of the AirPods case?
The AirPods case isn't just for storage, it's an essential part of the AirPods ecosystem. The case not only keeps your AirPods safe but also serves as a portable charger for your AirPods. The case is designed to fully charge your AirPods multiple times. For example, AirPods Pro can deliver up to 5 hours of listening time, and with the case, you can get more than 24 hours of total usage time. But what happens if the case runs out of juice?
Can you use AirPods without the case?
The short answer is yes. You can use AirPods if the case battery is dead, but only until the AirPods themselves run out of power. Once you take the AirPods out of the case, they operate on their internal batteries. If the case is dead, you won't be able to recharge your AirPods once they're out of power. This means that when your AirPods battery life runs out, you won't be able to use them until you charge both the AirPods and the case again.
How can you maximize your AirPods usage?
To ensure you get the most out of your AirPods, here are some quick tips. 1. Always keep your case charged. This way, you can keep recharging your AirPods throughout the day. 2. Manage your AirPods battery life. Don't leave your AirPods out of the case for long periods when not in use. They will drain faster. 3. Enable optimized battery charging. This feature learns your daily charging routine and can slow down battery aging. Remember, your AirPods and their case are a team. Keep them both charged for the best experience. And there you have it. Yes, you can use AirPods when the case battery is dead, but only for as long as your AirPods hold a charge. To keep the music playing, make sure to maintain both your AirPods and the case well charged. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this information helps you enjoy your AirPods to their fullest potential. Stay tuned for more tech tips.